finished. Now let's revise with the chapter once more. After that we'll start the chapter Simple Machines. So a push or a pull on an object is called force. The effects of force are: it makes an object move, it stops a moving object, it changes the shape of an object, it changes the direction of an object. Forces can be contact or non-contact forces. Contact forces are experienced when the bodies are in the physical contact with each other, like muscular force or frictional force. Non-contact forces are experienced when the bodies are not in contact with each other. They can be magnetic, electrostatic or gravitational. Electrostatic forces can be seen into effect when you rub a scale on your dry hair. Means when you haven't oiled your hair in the dry hair and put some bits of paper. So friction is the force that opposes the motion. It either stops or slows down the motion of an object. So in rough surfaces there is more frictional force, and in smooth surfaces there is less frictional force. Energy is the ability to do work. All forms of energy can be categorized into potential energy or kinetic energy. See, the potential energy means the energy which is possessed by the body when it is at rest. So such energy, there are gravitational energy, the energy that comes from gravity acting on the object, chemical energy, nuclear energy or elastic energy means the energy possessed by the rubber band. It can be considered as potential energy. And kinetic energy or the energy possessed by the moving body. So electrical energy, sound energy, heat energy, light energy and wind energy. These energies comes in under the kinetic energy. So the law of conservation of energy states that energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. So machines can also work easily by changing electrical energy into sound, heat or light energy. Okay, or maybe the mechanical energy. Questions. Now there are some questions you need to do. Okay, so the lesson is over. So first question is a fill in the blanks. A speedy bullet possesses dash energy. Wood, coal, kerosene, matchstick all have dash energy. Dash energy is stored in the muscles of our body. Then work done is measured in dash. Dash is the ability to do work. Dash energy can be used to lift very heavy objects made up of iron. Okay, energy stored in the muscles of our body is dash energy. The electrical motor converts dash energy into dash energy. Okay, so the options are given. Now here the correct options you need to take. Which energy is shown in the figure? You need to take. Okay, magnetic, electrical, chemical or atomic. See these pictures. You need to see these pictures associated with which kind of energy. Okay. So this much is the work for today. Students, it's very essential for saving energy. So you have to make a project on the topic save energy by enlisting your own contributions for saving the following type of energies. Electrical energy, how you will save the electrical energy in your home. So there is a hint given, electrical appliances. Heat energy while cooking and warming. Chemical energy, electrical cells, batteries and inverters. So you may take the help of your parents and make an interesting project by using pictures. Okay, you need to paste pictures and make a nice poster.